Hello, I'm Melissa.
Melissa, okay,
Yeah.
so we're going to go over and take a look at some of the AIO coolers. All right, let's switch. Okay. So explain to me what you've got here.
This one is for especially designed for a workstation platform. We have this one is for AMD Threadripper. So you can see that we have a full coverage code plate to cover the whole CPU, and it comes with two pump architecture.
All right, two pumps.
Yeah,
one here,
one's located here and one is
underneath the fan there.
right.
Okay,
right.
cool.
And it's 38 millimeters.
Wow, so it's a lot thicker
Yes.
radiator, perfect for workstations.
Yeah, and
Excellent.
industrial fans like LCP material
Yeah.
and durable bearing and copper base for more solid operation.
Excellent, excellent.
Yeah.
All right. Next up,
Okay.
we have this one.
It's a Pro series. We have 240 and 360, both in black and white version. It's just a budget product, but with a very elegant outlook
Yep.
and ARGB effects.
Yep. So this is the 240.
Yes, we will
and
also
you also
have
have a 360.
360.
Just the pump with the LED
Right.
lighting there.
Right,
Okay,
yeah.
cool. Okay. And over here we have
Challenger series.
Challenger series.
Yeah, give me a second. I'll show you a digital display.
So this is the Challenger series.
Yes, we
with
will
a-
also have 360 and 240 Challenger series, both black version and white version.
And this is a digital
Right, yeah,
display. And
yeah.
explain to me what a digital display is.
It will display the CPU temperature
Yeah.
and frequency and the RPM for the pump.
Okay, excellent, excellent. And then over here we have the LCD version.
Right. Still Legend series.
So
Yeah.
Legend series.
We have a magnetic water block.
Oh, right, this comes off? Okay,
yeah,
cool.
yeah. And here is a VR and cooling module.
Oh, you have a fan in there too.
Right.
Excellent.
And it's 3.4-inch LCD. And here we will also have the LCP fans and durable bearing here and a copper base. So very solid and for very good for longevity.
Excellent. All right, so here's the specs. And we got some concept
Yes.
all-in-one coolers. And this is pretty cool. I like this one here. Has the curved LCD, but it's not just on one side, it's on two sides. You
Yeah.
can see that there. And it's adjustable in this positioning.
Right.
And you also have the fan in there
Yeah,
too, right?
there is a blower fan here also
Yeah.
for the VR and cooling.
Okay, very nice. I like that. What's the kind of resolution on this?
It's
It's
I think
probably 720p, right?
right.
Yeah.
Will
And
be
the-
ready maybe on Computex.
Yeah. And this one is pretty funky. I like this. This is
Yeah.
the hologram or
Yes.
holographic spinner. Of course, my resolution on the phone doesn't show the actual full picture because it's actually the refresh rate. But yeah, you can see that it's actually a spinner holographic. You can see that right there. And this actually helps with RAM cooling as well and chipset cooling because you can actually get the airflow in there. So that's pretty cool. Another concept from ASRock. Now, these are not final products, so
They're
we'll
not.
probably see something at Computex as well.
Right,
But,
yes,
yeah,
right.
this is pretty interesting. Something that I haven't seen for AIO coolers, maybe, something new. But yeah. All right, so these are the concepts.
Right.
Now let's head over to some more AIO coolers.
And this one is on the Taichi Aqua series. It also adopt with dual pump architectures.
All right, so we have dual pumps here.
Yeah, one's
One
here
here,
and here. Yeah.
And then, so we have the water block,
Right.
which includes this.
The
and-
transparent water channel
Yep.
and a magnetic LCD.
an LCD display.
Right.
Okay.
You can also stick on any metal material.
Right.
Like
And it includes a
it's
flow indicator
Yes,
right here.
right.
That's pretty good. I like that. And you can see that it goes into the block there, CPU water block, with the LCD display, which is detachable. Nice.
Yeah.
And then, of course, it goes into the radiator at the top there. And this is quite a thick radiator too, right?
Yes, 38.
38 millimeter
Right.
radiator. All right, nice. Next up is the Phantom Gaming.
Right.
Okay.
It comes with 32 millimeters thick radiator, and it also 3.4-inch LCD here.
Right.
And a special thing that we have a unified radiator fan, so the LED lighting is seamless.
So there's one unified
Yes.
fan.
We call it 360-degree
360.
lighting effect.
So there's no separate 120. There's one big block of 360.
Yes.
All the old fans unified there. Nice. Okay. So the water block there, you can see that there. 4.1 inch?
3.4.
3.4 inch
Right.
LCD right there. Very nice. Okay, so these are the AIO coolers
Yes.
from ASRock.